the weekend. You know you're not blocked, you still can call. Did you hear we played the garden and I got my own apartment? Are you in touch with anyone at all? I bet you never ever sit in silence. You'll try therapist till one tells you you're great. Or else it might get clear though that you're not the fucking hero. And if you called, I don't know what I'd say. I'm sorry you went crazy. I'm sorry that I'm saying it so blunt. Everybody says that you look happy, but to me, you just look like someone